of what the employer's thought process is. Assuming that you've done a fantastic job with your technical round and you're excellent in your technical skills, and you've made it to the technical round, and you've come for an interview. During that process of having this conversation with you, that interviewer or that employer is making an assessment. What is going through that interviewer's mind? What is going through that employer's mind? What is it that this employer is expecting to get out of you during that time? The first question, during the whole conversation, during the assessment, the employer is looking, does this person have the technical skills and essential skills necessary for this job vacancy that I have? To each one of us, we may think we have the adequate amount of skills. But yes, if you've cleared the technical round, it means you do so. But remember, if there are 10 positions, maybe 1,000 people would have cleared the technical round. So how is it going to determine that whether you're the best or somebody else? And why should it be you? So the first question, of course, it's very basic, it's very qualifying, wherein with your interaction with me as an interviewer, I would like to establish that do you have the technical and essential skills needed for the job? If yes, I move on to the next question. Does this person have the work ethics I am looking for? Now, what do we mean by work ethics? In almost all big companies, and I say this with conviction, is because all big companies, ethics are topmost priority. You could be the best and perhaps the only technical expert in the company, but if you lack in ethics, no company wants you there. And what do you mean by ethics? In a way, we can bring it down to understanding that it means integrity. But what is integrity? Integrity, honesty, the way you deal with people, fairness, all that comes with integrity. But integrity goes one step further. It means doing the right thing when nobody is watching. It's very easy to be honest when everybody is looking at you.